Hello, hi, welcome again to this channel. If you're new to this channel, this is a travel and automotive channel, and in this video I'll be showing you about this oil filter wrench. This oil filter wrench is used to remove the oil filter, and if you check the next coming video which I'll attach to this one, I'll show you this wrench removing a filter. It's just a quick video, short video to show you the swivel handle. This is how it looks like. It says 3.5-inch diameter for multiple filter sizes. You can see you can fit. That's the picture there. You can see it there. You can see it. I'll show you in a minute how it adjusts. And you can see it says it has a swivel handle for use at any angle. Rubber lined grip. Allow easy filter removal. This is the rubber grip. And you can see there's a little picture there of how they're using it. So you can see you can either twist left or right. You can see that. That's why it says you can remove at any angle. And you can see there they're showing you how. So if you look at it, it comes in this packaging here like that. And this is what it looks like. You can see, and you can see it's facing on the right side. But you can adjust it. You can almost adjust it to any angle to face any side, and you can see when you turn it, it can grip hard to the left, and it can grip to the right too, and it's adjustable here too, over here, so you can twist it, and it can turn into any angle that you want it to. See right here, you can see it's adjustable like that. It's a very nice filter removal wrench. Try it. You know, some filters are hard to remove because of with time they get tighter and tighter the more you drive, but this one will help you remove it, and you'll see it in one of the attached videos, which will be attached to this one. Okay. This was just a description short video. Let me know what you think about the video. If you have a question, ask in the comment section, and you can leave your comment there too. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, and have a nice day. Bye.